Hey, Mike here. This is how you change a Toyota key fob. This is the Denso 1480R. If you have something that looks similar to this, this is the keyless entry type version. Now, the simplest way to do this, I found out, was to actually just push this to get the key out. So you push this, you get the manual key out, and when you get the manual key out, there will be a section over here that you can then slot it in. It fits almost perfectly, and don't worry if you don't have the key that comes out. You can also use a regular screwdriver as well. Just be careful, stick it in there, and then give it a simple little twist. That should pop the entire thing open like so. Now in here, you're going to want to get this battery. It's a CR2032. You can get it at any watch supply location. Basically, many convenience stores, electronic stores will also have this as well. You just basically pop this guy out very carefully, and if you just get your fingernail underneath it, it'll easily come out. It shouldn't come out with any force. You can see right here, I had a CR2032 Sony battery. It's a 3-volt lithium, and I just want to caution you about getting the correct one. Make sure it's a CR2032. Then you're just going to get a little mini screwdriver and simply pop it out very carefully. This part, you just have to put a little bit of force in there to get it out. And it'll just pop right out. So be careful when you do that, but it'll pop right out. Just stick another one in, and it's positive side up, just like you see in this picture. So you just get another one, slot that right in there. So here I have a brand new one. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this right in, like so, and just pop that in there. Now it's secured. Then you take this side, like this, and look at where the buttons are. See that? Just line it up. Flip it over. Stick that on there. You can stick this on like so, and just snap it in place. Voila, that should do the trick. That's it. That's how you replace it. And you can go ahead and try it out. Stick your key back in so that you don't lose it. And you're done.